Hey, it's Adam Anderson, owner and founder of WealthGuard Advisors.
And I'm Blake Anderson, a certified financial planner. Thank you for joining us.
Before we get started, I just wanted to remind you that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Blake, we're talking about the Federal Reserve comments today. You want to get into that for us?
Yeah, I think the big highlight of the meeting is Fed Chair Powell's commentary that they are well positioned. We did see the quarter point rate cut that was mostly expected. And going into the meeting, I think markets had placed the odds around 90%. So it was pretty expected. Moving forward, it does seem with that well-positioned comment that we should not expect further rate cuts until we see some change, weakening in the job market or data to that effect. But I definitely don't expect us to, turn around and start seeing rate hikes anytime soon.
Yeah, and I think it's important to note that we've really been on pause. I think we mentioned this last week that the market was kind of on pause waiting for this. And I wanted to bring up our chart, a daily chart of the S&P 500. So I think it's important to note that we've really been on pause for the last week or so, waiting for the Federal Reserve's comments. And as Federal Reserve Jerome Powell has made his comments, you can see that as they said that the quarter point, you can see how much the market has come up. We're up just under 1% at this moment for the S&P 500.
Yes, this is a good sign that we see. I think it's good for the long-term health of the market that the Federal Reserve is signaling that rates are in a good place, waiting to see more data. Hopefully that we continue to see improving data as time goes forward.
Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of, as we're missing some economic data from when the shutdown was taking place. And so we're kind of filling in the gaps there a little bit. So, but we are seeing unemployment still relatively low. We are seeing a lot of prices coming down, a lot of things. I know it doesn't feel that way still, but lower interest rates is going to really translate into the one part of the economy that's not firing, and that's real estate. And, people are sitting on houses with low interest like mortgages. They're never going to get rid of those. So now we're going to be able to see maybe some more movement in that space in real estate if interest rates come down a little bit. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that the 30-year, the long-term mortgage rates are coming down. This is the overnight lending. So hopefully this translates to longer-term rates also coming down. And that would really help with that real estate area. Of course, business lending is going to be affected by shorter-term rates, and that's going to be good for the business market. So that's going to be beneficial. But overall, we still think we're in an upward bull market. It's a good time to be fully invested. I'm not backing out. So we're encouraging our clients to stay with their strategy, stay in the course is what we're really advocating at this point. Is don't get too panicky. Stay the course. Companies' earnings are good. The overall conditions of the economy are still decent. And I think that that's the best course, is to stay the course at this point. If you have questions or concerns about your account, or you want to talk to us about strategies, we're always open to visit with you. Another thing I want to share before we tune off today is we are having an open house at our office on December 18th between 1 and 4. Just a little holiday stop by. We're going to have some cider, maybe some holiday cookies or seasonal treats like that. And just to say hi. And also, I've talked to a number of our neighbors here on Main Street that they'd like to see if you'd like to come by their office. They'll give you a special discount if you'd like to drop by their stores and purchase something, of course. But obviously no obligation there, but it's always good to be a good neighbor. So I made that offer. Anything you'd like to conclude with, Blake?
Thanks so much for tuning in and talking with us. Just as a reminder, WealthGuard Advisors, we're a registered investment advisor directly with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and we work on our clients' best interest. In fact, we have a fiduciary responsibility, meaning the law obligates that we act in our clients' best interest. So if that's something that interests you and you want to learn more about what we do and how we could help through personalized asset management and customized financial planning based around your needs and goals, we'd love to sit down and talk with you. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks again. Bye.